Hey, what's up guys? So I just replaced my third brake light with this aftermarket one on my 2013 Scion TC, and I thought I'd just give you a little tutorial on how to do that. So this I got this off of Amazon from DNA Motoring, good brand, looks nice. But I'll show you how to remove the factory one, which is this one right here. It is LED from the factory, but I just like the look of the other one a little better. Ignore the mess in my trunk. But yeah, so the tools you will need, it's just a 10mm socket, honestly. Probably will need a deep socket as well, but I managed without because apparently the bolts were, or the nuts were just hand tightened, kind of. And I don't know why, honestly, because I've never disassembled that part of my car. But anyways, then I kind of just use this, but you don't really need that. So the first step you need to do is remove this whole hatch cover here. The other part just kind of fell back here. This separates into 3 separate parts. Shouldn't be too difficult. It's just held in with these little tabs all around. You don't need any tools for that. And here it is actually right here. There we go. Yeah, so this goes up on like that. So you just take that off, you just pull it off. Not too difficult. Next thing you want to do is remove, there's a few bolts you want, or nuts you want to remove. You want to remove this one right here. And there it is in relation to everything else. I'm going to remove that one. These two right here, which have the electronic hatch control, they go to the motor right there. And then you're going to want to remove one more over there. And then along with these two nuts right here. And it's really the same thing, they just screw into those two on the factory, and then of course on the aftermarket one they screw in the same place. So taking this one, these two, and this one out allows you, there's just a nail gun in the back, it allows you to take off this plastic cover right here, which allows you to in turn take off the, or take out the OEM third brake light, and it just pulls out. But another thing you want to keep in mind is that there are, actually I'll show you on this one, on both OEM and aftermarket, there are these little tabs here and here that keep it clipped into place into there's a black plastic part right there that screws into. And it's a little tight squeeze, but I got it out with my fingers. I just popped it out. Where's a good angle? Yeah, right there. You can see one right there, and then the other one is on the same side, or on the same place on the other side. You might be able to see it. I'm not sure. So those will pop that out of that black piece. That black piece stays in there. It doesn't go anywhere. So we just want to keep that in there. It'll just kind of hang. But yeah, you just pop that out and then put the new one in from the outside. You just push it in, pop it into place, then put the cover back on, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's about it. See if I can get it to light up real quick. And there it is with the brake on, actually. Looks pretty nice, really clean. Much better than the OEM in my opinion. So yeah, I hope this little instructional video or whatever helped you guys get yours installed. I'll put a link in the description to the aftermarket third brake light. Thanks for watching, I guess.